Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over an easy question that I just solved on my own about a couple minutes ago. So this one is called maximum population year. Basically, this is a classic line sweep question where you're given a matrix of two numbers, the birth and the year. And what you want to do is find the year with the maximum population. So basically, for example, if we have 1993 all the way up to 2010, we keep track of every year, and we keep track of how many times it's been incremented. So here, through 1993 to 1999 will be incremented once. 2000 to 2010 will be incremented once. So let's go ahead and keep track of the smallest start time and the largest end time. So smallest start, largest end, float of infinity, because everything has to be smaller than infinity, and everything has to be bigger than negative infinity. For L in logs, SS equals to min of SS and L0, so that's a start time. LE equals max of LE, and L1, that's the end time. So now we have the appropriate start and end times, and you can verify that by printing A, so 2010, cool. And now let's make a prefix array of 0 times length of A because we want to increment it, basically denoting exactly this range to this range needs to be incremented by 1. So we're going to keep track of that with this array. So for L in logs, the start time, so the start index is going to be, so if L0 is in A, then the start index is going to be A dot index L0, and then we are going to increment that index in J because it's the start of the interval that we're going to increment. And then vice versa, if L1 in A, the end index is A dot index L1. So 1999 would be incrementing this index inside of the J array. So JSE minus equal to 1, because that's how we accumulate it at the end. And if we print J, we can see that it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, because 0 is the point where it ends. So now to see the effect, we have to accumulate it. So list iter_tools.accumulate J, and we'll print K. And now you get this appropriately. So now we have to find the biggest year with the most population, which is just going to be max of K. And now we can go through our original array and try to keep track of that. So for I in range length A, right? So we're going through each year and we're saying if the current index of that year, because we're going from left to right, if K of I is equal to biggest, then we can just return A of I because that's the year from the left that has the biggest population, right? So there you go, passes all test cases. Not too difficult if you know how the line sweep algorithm works. And so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully this wasn't too bad. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.